Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can increase your sales on Amazon Merch on Demand and sell more t-shirts. If you watch any YouTube videos by Amazon Merch experts, they will tell you to pay close attention to your titles and bullet points, and they will also tell you that those are the most important variables in your Amazon listing for selling more t-shirts. But why are your titles and bullet points so important? Well, it all comes down to SEO, or search engine optimization. Titles are what the Amazon algorithm used to decide where to rank your t-shirts on the search results page. Bullet points also play a role in this, but they are outweighed by the title. But even if the title is more important, that does not mean that you should neglect or forget about your bullet points. Many sellers have problems with coming up or writing good and catchy titles and bullet points, and they always wonder how to write the best title and bullet points for their t-shirts. That's why today, I will share with you a quick and easy method that you can use to write good titles and bullet points. However, before we look at the method, you have to make sure not to abuse this strategy, because if you do, you will either be banned or reported by other sellers. The method I'm talking about is about using a website to change or rewrite words and phrases with the power of artificial intelligence. So while you are doing your niche research, you have to save the t-shirts that you find are selling well and copy their titles and bullet points so that you can use them later. You can save as much t-shirts as you want, but I personally recommend you stick to 3 maximum. After you find the t-shirts that you want to base your titles and bullet points upon, all you have to do is go to this website called Quillbot and paste the titles you copied before. You can change a few words from the ones that you copied. If you realize that one of the words does not respect the Amazon Merch terms of service, you would be surprised by the amount of words used by sellers that breaks the terms of service, or are either trademarked or copyrighted. This is why you have to be extra cautious to not lose your account for some small mistake. After you make your changes and check the words if they are safe, you can hit the paraphrase button, and the website will rewrite the phrases, hence making them unique and not a simple copy-paste of other people's metadata. This method works for both titles and bullet points. Just make sure to check the words for any issues before using them on your listings. By using this method, you will not only craft quick titles and bullet points, but you will also save more time that you can use to upload more t-shirts or to conduct more niche research. Amazon Merch is a really great opportunity for you to sell t-shirts online and earn passive money. But similar to any other business, whether online or in the real world, it takes time and effort and a lot of hard work. So not giving up is your only weapon. If you are a beginner or you are still struggling to find good niches, check out this video where I show you a quick method to find good niches for you to target. I hope that I helped you today with this video. Thanks for watching.